Welcome OGs, old guys and gals. I'm Tony, your old guy outside. Have we got an awesome one for you today. We're going to continue our epic Thai adventure where we first took a behind-the-scenes tour of a local 7-Eleven to find exotic and strange foods that you do not find in the United States and a 7-Eleven. We then took a fishing trip for swai where we caught swai, hardheads, some perch, and even a tilapia. However, that trip was cut short due to an earthquake, as you may have all seen and heard on the news. But everybody on our end was safe, staying in a rural Thai village surrounded by rice fields and farms. There's no buildings to fall down. But today we are continuing our adventure exploring the beaches of Pattaya. So stick around, because on this trip we will pile 12 people into a van provided by our host's family. Try to figure out how 7 girls can pack 1 month of clothes and luggage for a 3-night trip. See what kind of foods are at a rest stop. We'll eat some local Thai food. Try a Thai buffet. So let the adventure begin. Wow. And this is my wife's niece, Amy. So here's all the money they've saved to go to Pattaya so they can go on a beach adventure and ride on the banana boat. So Amy's goal was to save 10,000 baht. She saved 10,000 baht. Show me, Kwan. She saved 10,000 baht. Plus a whole bunch more. Some exotic Thai fruits. They grow pomelo in Thailand. And what do you call this, Kwan? Some-o. Out some of the food vendors and street food they have. Potatoes, peanuts, corn, little breads, and coconut cakes. Yeah, they have myung. Ooh, get a myung kam. Get 2. Yeah, they have myung kam, one of my favorites. Yes, please. Yes. Sawasdee krap. They have fried bananas. Kwanjai, what is fried bananas called? Kueh tod.
Not kueh, kueh tod.
Kueh tod. Kapun kap. Kueh tod. Kapun kap. Some good street food, fried pork, sticky rice, pickled mango, sawasdee krap, fresh fruits all sliced up. And they do grilled fish balls, pork balls. They love their hot dogs and their sausage. The rest areas are very nice. Most popular coffee shops and stops at most of the rest areas and gas stations in Thailand is a chain called Cafe Amazon. Cafe Amazon is kind of like a Starbucks on, I would say, steroids, because they have a lot more stuff. Thai foods and soups in the rest area. on, girls. Yeah, there we go. Now it is raining in Bangkok on the way to Pattaya. Guess if you're missing any hours, you might want to come here for your coffee. A luxury van, really nice. But we gotta fit 12 people in here. There's our driver, Go. That's it, baby? Apparently we have arrived.
This one.
Yeah. We have arrived. They have a beautiful pool. We'll give you all a tour here in a little bit. A nice pool with a slide for the kids. And this is the Asian Summer Pool Villa. What do you think, Kwanjai? Good? Very nice. 7 girls can pack 1 month of clothes and luggage for a 3-night trip. Master bedroom. With a very nice pool view. That'll be nice to wake up to. Comes with a kitchen, microwave, oven, cooktop. Kitchen has a breakfast bar, leads out to the dining room table and a pool table and living room. Another walk-in shower and bathroom. 2 king-size beds. Have an outdoor shower by the pool. That's nice. And then we have another room with 2 more king-size beds. And every room has a view of the pool. Set in a beautiful garden setting. Trees, plants. Very pretty, Diao. You like it, huh? Very nice. Asian Summer Pool Villa. Nice little sitting area outside. A beautiful pool villa in a garden setting. Very nice. Yeah, already in the pool. How's the pool, Diao? Feel good? Yeah, there you go. Tong Suk Wai Nam. That means go swim. Or swim, I guess. They know old guy gets very hot, so they prepare a fan. Woo! All right, Amy. Tong suk, tong suk.
มองซ้ายมองขวาด้วยนะเวลาเดินอย่าก้มหน้าอย่า
All right. Good job, Tong Suk. And Diao brings something very special. What is it, Diao? What?
ไก่ย่างครับ
Gayang.
ครับผม
Gayang barbecue chicken.
ก้ม
Kwan, what's that called?
ส้มตำไทยไม่ให้นอน
Som Tom Thai.
ครับผมไหนหลานเขยดูอยู่ไหน
ผู้บ่าวไป
นี่ครับ
And after 8-hour drive and a lot of swimming. All right, OGs, that'll be a wrap for our first night. We're concluding day one of our Pattaya beach adventure. We'll continue tomorrow, get some rest, wake up early, continue our adventure for day two. Stick around, it'll be fun.
ถ้าเรามาให้แวะไปหาเขา
Well, good morning, OGs. Time to start another day, see if we can get ourselves some coffee. We'll check out what's happening this morning, get the day started. I think everybody needs to make some coffee, make some breakfast, and kind of wake up. Time for some instant coffee. And of course, my beautiful wife always takes care of me and knows I love sushi. So, quick 7-Eleven run this morning. And there's breakfast, plus all the food we brought, that everybody brought yesterday. My wife makes us a Thai street food breakfast early in the morning. Good morning, Kwanjai. Bought a lot of food.
Yeah, so many people.
It looks like we will eat good this morning. Of course, you can find fish, grilled fish everywhere from street vendors, so you just walk down early in the morning and find yourself some food, some fresh mango. And Thais do not let anything go to waste, not even the skeletal structure of a fish. They will take the bones and they will deep fry the skeleton, and that turns into a breakfast snack. And there's the pool after last night. Don't know if it's going to rain today or not, but we'll find out in a little while.
ว่านี่จะไปสูบบุหรี่นี่ได้เลยมั้งครับ
Well, Kwanjai, are we ready for the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got your lotion on? Okay. You think all the girls are ready? Everybody ready?
I don't know.
We'll go check them out in a minute. We're going to take a walk down to the beach. It's not too far from the Asian pool villa that we're staying in, the Asian Summer Pool Villa by name. Not too far, but we'll take a walk, nice and slow, see if we can find something with some shade and enjoy the beach. I think the girls want to go out on a inner tube ride on the beach, but we'll show you all that in a little bit. We'll get back with you when we get started. Say bye, Kwan. And everybody's ready to go.
Yep.
Everybody ready for the beach adventure?
Yep.
Amy, ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
เอามาดูใส่อีกอีกสาวนึงล่ะอีกสาวนึงนั่นยังไม่แล้วก็ฟัน
Y'all ready? And our walk. Nice thing about this little bungalow and villa that we're staying at is the walk to the beach. It's about 280 meters straight down that road. Is that where you got your samtam yesterday? Making samtam, green papaya salad.
อ๋อที่มันคือข้าวอบปีลูกเป็นไงเม็ดเนี่ย
Some other expats here. Apparently there's a lot of bars right along here. And right down there is the beach. So not very far at all. That's nice. Nice close walk. And of course on every corner there's a 7-Eleven. Some fresh Thai fruits on the way to the beach. Little bars and restaurants, little shops. And with the legalization of marijuana in Thailand, there's a whole lot of clubs that have popped up catering to that crowd. Yeah, so a lot of these high-rise condos, that's 5.4 million baht. Should be about 180,000 American dollars for a condo on the beach. Not bad. The one thing I have noticed is there's a lot of expats that come to Pattaya because it is a big tourist location. There's a lot from America, a lot from Germany, a lot from Norway, and a lot from Switzerland. Condos right on the beach for about 180,000 American, which for America, that is a cheap price to be on the beach. And the prices of Thailand are very, very cheap. But like I said, a lot of expats. And just a 2-minute, 3-minute walk from the villa we're staying at, which by the way is also very inexpensive, is the beaches of Pattaya. And as I said, on every corner there's a 7-Eleven, it seems like, and even right at the beach there's a 7-Eleven. And welcome to the beaches of Pattaya. The OG's crew are going to spend the morning, late morning, before it rains, enjoying the day. They cook food, they have food everywhere, they have chairs with umbrellas everywhere. A very nice setup. Jumped in?
Because they don't have banana boat, the girl want to pay banana boat.
Oh, do you want? Then let's go to Jumptian.
Yeah,
before it rains. And we're gonna head to Jumptian Beach where they have the banana boats and the inner tubes for riding, which we hope they do. Right now, everyone down at the end of the main Pattaya beach from the villa, there's just a lot of people swimming. Pattaya Beach in Jomtien. Jomtien, are now stopped in Jomtien Beach, down the road from where we were staying, just a couple of 2-3 miles. This is Jomtien Beach Road, or just Beach Road. A lot of expats, a lot of bars, a lot of cold beer. Take the whole gang and go find a place to sit. They're all gonna want to do the banana boat, which is right down over there. There's 2 banana boats right over there. Jomtien Beach. It looks like it might rain today, but still pretty. We have the banana boats. Jomtien all the way down there. The girls want to go play on that. And all the way down the beach in the condos. And there is Tong Suk taking a walk on the beach. There's the OG gang. They sell fresh fruit, toys for the kids, and the OG gang taking pictures. The pigeons are not shy. And they have fresh crab and shrimp and egg rolls and chicken. They have a little bit of everything they sell on the beach. Pretty cool. They get these little mini crabs that they deep fry. And you want to hear how crunchy they are. Banana boat gang. Good job. All right, banana boaters, go. Here comes the rain. Starting to blow. Starting to blow a lot. The rain's over there on the horizon. Now they load up, get ready to go. Now on the second trip, the adults are going because they're going to go a lot faster. dump them all. What happens to the beach when it rains and the wind comes up? They have to bring down all the umbrellas and everybody leaves. Oh well, not us. They all still want to sit and eat. So the gang sits and eats. Explore the beaches of Pattaya. We're gathering up the gang to go try a Thai buffet hot pot near the beach.
ตอนนี้ก็ได้ดีไซน์บอกดีนะเขาฟังภาษาแต่เครื่องกูเหมือนกันนะไม่ขึ้นก็
พวกนักการชายเยอะนะ
พอขึ้นไปนะ ขึ้นไปอย่างเงี้ย
วันนู้นที่ได้ไหมไปด้วยกัน
Now we try a Thai buffet. Cook at your table. Oh, I want to see. Wow, pick your own seafood. Uh-huh. Cao jai, cao jai. Mm-hmm. They got some poo or crab, squid, octopus, oysters, cockles, clams, snails, mussels, it's a pretty cool buffet. Outdoor seating Pattaya, very nice. A lot of food. Cooking shrimp on the grill. Now the really cool part is, for all the seafood and meat and vegetables and salad and beer we can drink, it is 289 baht. 289 baht for an all-you-can-eat buffet with seafood like that is approximately $8 American. So $8 American for an all-you-can-eat seafood, meat, and vegetable buffet. They also have salads and they also have ice cream. So I'll translate what it says on the entrance sign in a little while after I edit and do some video editing, but for right now, the old guy outside and his crew are going to sit down and enjoy what is going to end up becoming a buffet feast. Tom Sook already start with octopus, squid, shrimp, and clams. Or cockles, I guess. Apparently pretty popular in Pattaya because there is a lot of people for a Monday night. Now, one thing to understand is Sokran Festival coming up on March 13th, 14th, and 15th. Big party time in Pattaya, Phuket, Bangkok, all throughout Thailand. But all the expats are starting to pile in for tourist season, and the big party's coming up in the next week and a half. So I have a feeling that's why we're starting to see a lot of expats everywhere. Cool part is the big freshwater shrimp they have here. I have the claws. The gang knows how to load it up. And you get the grill to grill your meat and your seafood and whatnot. You also get a hot pot to make your soups and your vegetables and steam things if you wish. Spotted crab fresh off the grill. Let's take a dunk in some super hot sauce first. Yeah. Now that's what we're talking about. And now at night, Pattaya comes to life. And that's a wrap. Pattaya Beach Trip. Good night! And if you liked that video, make sure to check out the Old Guy Outside YouTube channel, where we share our love for the outdoors, fishing, shrimping, crabbing, and other adventures outside. For our latest videos, like and subscribe to our channel, Old Guy Outside. See you next time.